Okay, so angle of elevation is, imagine you have a little kid here, a little kid standing in a playground, and they want to look up at the sun because it's fun. That's what kids do when they're young. They try to destroy themselves. That's why they have parents to help them, to prevent them from doing that. If the kid looks up at the sun like that, we'll say that this is the angle of elevation. Think about how they're raising their head up towards the sun. It's elevation, elevate. So in our picture here, our angle of elevation would be right here, that little A-looking thing, because we're looking up. So then that's your angle of elevation. And then for number 2, angle of depression. Think about, this is how my students used to say, okay, depression. Think about when you first walk into school, it's 7:30 in the morning. What do you look like? You look like this. That's how you walk into school. Like you're just so dead and tired. See how your head is going down like this, like that way? That's the angle of depression. So tired, I want to go home. If you look on this picture, which angle is doing that? It's this one. That's the depression angle. Think about, this is your head, which way you're looking? Oh, I'm looking down that way. On this picture, your depression angle would be right up there. Depression angle would be that one, the little O-looking thing here. So always notice that when you have a depression angle, it'll always be a straight line, and then a triangle here, like this, and then your depression angle is here. Not here, no. Depression angle is never here. It's always on the outside here, like that. And the last one here, this is an example. This is an example of a kind of real-world problem you'll be given, like on the homework. They're saying angle of elevation. That's this right here, because it's looking straight up at the top of the tree. At the top of the tree, here to here, like that. Boom, top of the tree. But also, what you should know is that draw elevation here, E for elevate, go straight up like that. If I draw a horizontal line here, angle of depression would be this one, not that one. That's not depression. And what you'll notice is that if this is 34, this is also 34. They're always going to be the same if they share that line.